Hello friends, today in this video right now I'm going to show you how to use and off delete item sounds on Redmi mobile phone. So friends, before we continue these steps, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here at first you have to move on setting, then you have to scroll, and here is the sound and vibration option. Just click on the sound and vibration. After you have been click on it, again you have to scroll. Okay, just keep scroll. Then here you are going to find the additional setting, so you have to click on additional setting. After you have been click on it, here is the plus on when deleting items. So if you want to use the sound, just click on this icon. Here the plus on when deleting items will be activated, and if you want to off, you just click on this icon here like this. Here the place on when deleting items will be set off. Okay, you just if you want to use, you just click on this icon, it will be set on, and if you want to off, you just click on this icon, it will be set off. You can use and off like that. Okay, so friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video, and subscribe the channel. And thanks for watching.